Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to recover old WhatsApp account without SIM. And this tutorial is suitable for a normal WhatsApp or a business WhatsApp, right? So let's get into our WhatsApp. So once you're here on the top right, which is a three dots menu, just click on it. And once you click on it, here you will find an option. And then you have to tap on the settings. So once you're here into the setting, just go to the bottom and here click on the help icon. So once you click on the help icon, you have to click on help center here. So it will load for a few seconds and you have to just wait patiently here. And once you're here in the search bar, you have to type recover account, right? So here just type here recover account and just search for it. So once you search for it, here you can see there's a lot of option. So if you don't find the recover option here, you can just click on how to manage your account options, and here you have to again just wait for a few seconds till it get load here, and after that you have to click on the support, and here it will ask you tell us how we can help. So here you have to explain that you want to recover your old WhatsApp account. You have to give all the information and they will reach to you by using this same WhatsApp, and once it's done you have to just click on the next, and once you click on the next you have to select the problem, and that's it. So they will revert back to you after few hours of a few days, and you will able to recover your old WhatsApp account. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe.